Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, March 13th, and this is my PM recap video of the euro dollar, the pound dollar, and gold on the 1 hour time frame. If you haven't done so already, definitely do check out my free Discord trading community, link down here in the corner. And also, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to all these benefits listed below and more. So anyways, pretty slow going day for the last few days on the dollar pairs, but the fact that we haven't been able to break the major structure yet tells me that the trend is definitely still up on the higher time frames. I still think there is a chance, even though the chance seems like it's getting slimmer, that this is like an A, a B, and a C correction. Now, the reason why I say the chance is getting slimmer is because this push up at the 78% retracement did not break structure. It needs to break structure to confirm that this really is the end of a correction. If it becomes impulsive in the other direction, it probably is going to go down and take out the lows. If you actually go down to like the 15-minute time frame, it looks like it could be like in a little expanding ABC correction. So if it does bounce, it definitely could turn into a 1, 2, 3. Now, like I said, be careful because the fact that it didn't break structure is a big red flag to me, telling me that this may not even be that, and it may just end up going down and down and down and down. So be very careful. The trend is up on the very high time frames, but on the 1 hour time frame, the trend is down. It is definitely lower high, lower high, lower high. It needs to break up at a Fibonacci level to confirm that that really is the end of a correction, which obviously it has not done so yet. Moving on to the pound dollar, also a very slow day for the pound dollar. Same type of thing though. I got my Fibonacci retracement on here. I still think there's a chance that this is an A, B, C correction right here, being wave A, wave B, wave C. We got the 78% fib bounce. Just like the euro dollar, it was not able to go up and break structure. The fact that it was not able to go up and break structure is a red flag, meaning that there is definitely maybe even a pretty good chance that it does go down and it does break structure, confirming that we're in a bigger pullback on the higher time frames. So keep an eye on it. I am still very bullish because the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend, and if it does go up and break and hold above structure, I would probably expect to see a new 5 wave trend to the upside. So if it doesn't go up and break structure, but it makes lower highs and starts to become impulsive down, then it probably will go down and break the lows. Moving on to gold. Now, gold made a very nice push up today. It's actually one of the only dollar pairs that did actually move really nicely today. If you watched my morning video over the last couple of days, you'll know that I said that if it turns at a Fibonacci level and breaks structure, then it would make for a really good sort. Did it do that? It did not break structure there. Higher low, higher low, higher low. No break of structure tells me that there was not one reason whatsoever to go short in any big way whatsoever. I have also said in my videos last couple of days that if it doesn't make a double top break of structure at a Fibonacci level, then you would definitely want to continue to go long every chance you got. Now that we made this big breakout, I think I would have to target the 261.8, which is right below the $3,000 an ounce area. Maybe it will pull back a little bit before it gets up there, but I definitely think there's a very good likelihood at this point we're at least going to go up to that 261% Fibonacci extension and maybe even a little bit beyond that. So I am definitely looking for logs in an uptrend unless we get a double top break of structure, which we have not had yet. Pay attention to your structure, pay attention to your fib levels, and you should be trading in the right direction. So anyways, definitely don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.